The question is, how often should you review your Google Ads account? So now there is no specific answer to this. The thing is, how often depends on the amount of data that we receive in the Google Ads account. So if a Google Ads account has good budget, we can say around $200 to $300 to $500 per day budget, then that means that we are getting the data much more quickly. So in that case, it would make sense to actually get the Google Ads account reviewed by somebody else in 2 or 3 weeks. That way we don't really need to wait for the end of the month to see whether we can improve the conversions within the next 2 weeks. But on the other side of things, if we have a very low budget, we can say around $500 to $1,000 in 1 month, then we can do the audit after 3 to 4 weeks. That way we will have good enough data to see what is happening, and then we will be able to see the patterns as to where we are getting the conversions from.